If you're feeling stuck in your manifestation efforts, there's one thing you can do every day to greatly increase the strength of your manifestation power, and that's to incorporate a manifestation mantra into your daily routine. Mantras can be a word or a sound, or they can be a statement or slogan that's repeated frequently. Chanting or saying mantras is an ancient practice that trains the brain to embody positive energy, while decreasing negative thoughts, anxiety, and stress. They also train the brain to get into the habit of looking for the manifested desire and opening the self to receive what is wanted. The process in which we manifest our lives is often labeled the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that the energy that we put out into the universe comes back to us, and intentional manifestation is one of the keys to changing our energy and creating our best lives. With intentional manifesting, we create new habits that support our ability to create and attract the experiences that we choose. Following is a manifestation mantra that I personally use daily. Reciting this mantra several times per day will teach your brain that what you want is possible. It will upgrade your mindset to replace old, limiting thoughts and beliefs with more empowering ones that align with your power to create what you want. It will also teach your nervous system that it's safe to have what you want, increasing your ability to be more receptive and to allow more good things into your life. Recite this manifestation mantra out loud or mentally 3 times per day for a minimum of 30 days while focusing on the energy of what you're saying. In doing this, you're going to rewire new neural pathways and new beliefs that change your outlook and perception. From there, you will begin to open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences, bringing your desired reality into your physical reality. I am now invoking infinite universal knowledge and guidance. I open my consciousness fully to this knowledge and guidance. I am ready to receive all that is good and abundant. I now accept and allow all that is good and abundant into my life. From this point forward, I am perfectly and effortlessly guided to receive the limitless abundance of the universe. I accept that goodness and abundance are available to me because I am now tuning myself to that. What I seek also seeks me, and every day I move more and more into my best life. I am now fully supported and empowered to create and manifest whatever I desire as experience. All of my needs are met by the universe's abundant and limitless supply. I sometimes like to get into a meditative and relaxed state to repeat this manifestation mantra so that my mind's more receptive to what's being said. Because mantras are more focused on matching the energy of a desired outcome, they often work better than affirmations for some people. But you can change the wording around on this mantra to make it more specific to your desired reality and the energy that relates to that. The goal is to align your thoughts and energy to your desire, and if you do this every day, it will create the type of alignment that helps you manifest what you want faster. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.